And so we have in the box for this guitar pedal power supply. We'll go through everything real quick. We'll do a sound demo in another video. Here's all of your power cables. It's a bundle of power cables. Here are your polarity converter cables, 2 of them. The power supply that you plug into the wall, this end is going to go into the pedal board power supply itself. We have some instructions in here that we will skip because we're not doing that. We're not actually setting it up right now. We're just showing it to you. Let me get it out of the package here, out of the little protective. It's actually kind of cool looking up here on top. The design on it, kind of vicious. So here's our DC in. It's going to be an 18 volt in. That is what the output of that little power supply is. USB out. So that's 5 volt, 1 amp, I believe. 100 millivolt, 9 volts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are in this section. There are 9 volts, 100 millivolt out. That's the smallest amount of current that you typically are going to see passed to a pedal, and it's more than most pedals need. So most of your pedals will be able to run off of that. Some of them require a little bit more current. So we have a 300 millivolt at 9 volts. There's 1, 2, 3 of those. Then if you need something, if you have something that's even a little bit more power hungry, 9 volt at 500 milliamps. Not going to need that very often probably, but just in case it's there. These yellow ones, this is a 12 volt, that is an 18 volt. The 12 volts is 300 milliamps and the 18 volts is 100 milliamps. So you have lots of different options to power lots of different power hungry pedals, effects, processors, whatever it is that you have running off of this, plus your USB out here. And then also these lights light up to show you which one is on and working. That can be a little annoying sometimes, so you have a switch right over here where you can turn that on or off. This is the off position, and then on is right there. You can see from a form factor, it is a metal case, and this is a size that is going to fit in most pedal boards that I've seen that have the little tray under them to slide a power supply in. The dimensions are going to fit in most of them. You may want to check your dimensions just to be sure. And you know what, while we're talking about it, let's look at that. So I'm in the US where we measure things in inches. This is 6.5 inches from one side to the other. And then vertically we have 1.25 inches, maybe 1.3. And then this, in this dimension, that is slightly over 2 inches, not quite 2.25 inches. So that'll help you figure out if this is going to fit in a little tray if you have one of those power boards that has a slot for your power board pedal supply like this. Please subscribe and check out our Guitar Deals group on Facebook. The link's in the bio.